Hi, I'm Andy Ramsden, so I'm the Director of Technology Enhanced Learning and Teaching and Learning Analytics at the University of Law. It should be part of your, or as a leader with similar level to me, it should be part of your annual CPD, your continual professional development. You need to attend events like this to get that broader picture. Yes, their themes emerge from it. But also the fact that it isn't around specific themes is one of its incredible benefits, because you do hear those other things. So I would strongly advise it's a really well spent day and a half to get to see what's happening across the piece, to validate everything you're doing, to have a great range of people within different job roles. You hear voices from across an institution. Again, I think it's thinking about from what perspective what you're hoping to achieve. So I'm very strategic in approaching sort of suppliers that I don't know. So I will go to suppliers I don't know and use that opportunity to say, this is my use case, how can you help? And how do you work with institutions, and how do you work as a partnership going forward? So for me, it's a great opportunity to find out and do some scanning, horizon scanning of the options there. But why I will come back regularly is a lot of the conferences that I will attend have a very narrow focus. As you'd expect, they're in those spheres. It's about analytics, or it's about transformational change with learning technologies. So to have a wider range of voices on different topics is incredibly important, because even though I work in my area of expertise, that overlaps with those that maybe look at a belonging, sense of belonging for success, for student success, or it might be something to do with cybersecurity, or it could be something else. So a real advantage I find for me within the sector is this forum is one of the few, I think probably the few I know about, that gives me a much broader voice of what's being discussed. And even though it's not directly impacting my job, I need to know about it, or I need to know enough about it to ask the right questions to my various teams back at my institution.